on a trip to Wausau, Wisconsin. Right now 35 feels like 31. Winter snowstorm about to hit, maybe here Wausau. Rain. Here to snow tomorrow, going to school till 12:45, then we are on the road. Snow Wausau, Wisconsin. Snow winter snowstorm.
Your apathy is like a wounded soul. Maybe I'm too emotional, or maybe you never get it all. You look happy and healthy, not me. If you ever cared to ask, good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. Like a damn sociopath, I've lost my mind. I've spent the night crying on the floor of my bedroom. But you're so unaffected, I really don't get it, but I guess good for you. Good for you, I guess you moved on really.
Going to Wausau, Wisconsin.
Torturing me, yeah, lost my mind in your arms. I go to extremes, yeah, when angels tell me run, and monsters calling out. My head and my heart are caught in between, yeah. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Tell me yes or no. Asking the heavens, should I stay or should I go? You held my hand when I had nothing left to hold, and now I'm on a roll. Oh, my mind's got a my mind of its own right now, and it makes me hate me. I'll explode like a dynamite if I can't decide, baby. My head and my heart.
Room tour. Here we are, a big snowstorm is happening outside, 12 plus inches.
Good for you, I guess you're getting everything you want. You got a new car and your career's really taking off. It's like we never even happened, baby. What the fuck is up with that? And good for